Have you ever looked at an Excel formula and thought, there has to be an easier way to write this? What if you could just describe what you want in plain English right inside Excel and have AI write the formula for you instantly? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a free add-in called GPT for Excel. No copy pasting, no switching tabs, everything happens right inside your spreadsheet. First, let's install it. Go to the Home ribbon. Then Get Add-ins. Search for GPT for Excel Word. It's free and it's made by a company called Untitled AI. Click Add, then Continue. And a sidebar opens up right inside Excel. You only have to do this once. After that, it's always there when you open Excel. Now, let me show you our data table we'll be working with. So, this is the table that has a column for the sales reps, 4 regions, sales, and a blank label column. This blank column would be very handy later on. Now, I'm going to ask GPT for Excel Word to write me an Excel formula to only add sales of the North region in my table. Column B has regions, column C has the sales numbers. Now, watch how simple this is. I click into the sidebar and I ask it to add up only the North region sales. I hit generate and it gives me the exact sum if formula I need. No Googling, no guessing the syntax. 20,800. That's the total sales for the North region. The formula went straight into the cell. I didn't have to touch the keyboard at all. But here's where it gets really powerful. Now, let's try something trickier. Labeling every sale automatically based on its amount, high, medium, or low. This requires a nested if formula, which is one of the most confusing things in Excel for beginners. I just describe the logic I want and let the AI figure out the syntax. I click Insert. It drops straight into the cell. High for 12,500, every single row labeled correctly in seconds. A formula that would take most people 15 minutes to write manually, done in under 30 seconds with the sidebar. Right now, let's tackle one of the most requested and most feared, the lookup function. If you ever try to write this manually, you know it can be really confusing. There are many arguments you need to get exactly right. And if any one of them is wrong, the whole thing breaks. So let's just AI handle it. Easy. So now we have 2 tables in Excel. The first one is our main table. And the second one, it contains the bonus percentage given to the employees. So I'm going to write a prompt. I'm going to describe both the tables. So this is the prompt I feed. I describe both tables, where my rep names are, where the lookup table lives, and what I want to pull across. So now let's hit enter and let's see what AI does. Now remember, it's a warning that this part alone saves most people 15 minutes of head scratching. Now let me click enter and you witness the magic. There you go. You can see that now we have the bonus column that's been fitted into our table, and AI used the X lookup function, which can be very confusing. And if you focus on the formula, AI didn't just use the X lookup, AI used formatting as well. You can see that AI used formatting as well. It knows which cells to lock, which rows to lock, which columns to lock, and that's exactly what it did. Now, here's a bonus use case most people never think of. Using the GPT for Excel sidebar to fix broken formulas. If you ever see a wrong result or an error code and have no idea what went wrong, here's exactly what to do. So I paste in the broken formula and ask what's wrong. The sidebar finds the mistake and corrects the mistake, gives me the corrected formula, gives me explanation and reasoning. Now click insert and the correct answer appears. It's like having an Excel expert sitting right next to you. So that's GPT for Excel, a free add-in that lets you describe any formula in plain English and have AI write it directly into your spreadsheet No switching tabs, no copying and pasting. Everything happens right here inside Excel. Install it once from the add-ins store, and it's there every time you open Excel. The only rule is the more specific you are about your columns and what you want, the better the formula you get. Try it today on your own data. If this saved your time, hit the like button. It helps more people find the video. Subscribe because more videos are coming. See you then. Thank you very much.